Okay, y'all, come on in. It's Kareem's at it again. He's doing steak tonight. He's got his skillet going here. That butter is browning, so it's about time for him to get that steak on that griddle. This is one of my just stick the fork in and put it right on over on that griddle, and then you can sprinkle the other stuff. You need to put because it's already good and hot. Just lay it down in that easy. There you go.
So much stuff is so much simpler when you just get out your thoughts, your attitude, what you think, what you feel, and just do it.
The hooded chef.
Hey.
Kareem, the hooded chef.
The worst chef in town, you hear me?
Nah, he the best. He gonna be the best. He gonna be all over.
In town.
He gonna be all over YouTube, all over the US of A. And you gonna be like his Aunt Tanya. She was on Hulu on that. The next thing you can eat. She got a little clip on there, y'all. Y'all better watch out.
Omnipresent, y'all. That's how y'all want to be. Omnipresent, just like the Lord. You might not think you can be, but you can. If you got the right mindset and the right belief. Okay.
So if you want to go ahead and put you like your little hot seasoning on there, you can go ahead and put some hot seasoning on there.
A little slap him on, a little dot up here. Okay. Make sure it's open.
Yeah. Now that stuff is good and hot too.
How much I bet? How do I open it?
It should already be open. The holes are small because that stuff is really hot.
Hey y'all, let me tell y'all what type of channel this is.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, let me tell y'all what type of channel this is. It's a cooking channel.
Watch what you do. I'm telling you that.
No, watch.
Okay,
it's multitasking. It's a cooking channel, business. It's all type of stuff. You know what I'm saying? But it's Kareem. You know. I mean, it's Kareem's channel.
He's doing the most, y'all.
You did.
Kareem. Okay.
That's good.
Yeah.
No. Because some more coming out.
Oh, okay. Yeah, now you can turn it over and go ahead and do the other side, and then you can let it just sit there and cook. This is gonna cook about, what did we do it the last time? About 5 minutes on each side, because he is medium well.
Maybe like 15. And that's one thing I want to really get out to y'all. Don't just do one thing, two things, and you need to be doing about 1,000 at one time. And you can do it without stressing, worrying. You just gotta know what you're doing. That's all.
Okay, that should be good.
That should be good.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you need more, you can always add more, because you don't want to over. It's better to under than over, because when you get it overheated, you ain't gonna be able to eat it. Yeah, that Kinder, that's a new seasoning that I'm trying. It's pretty good. It's supposed to be sort of an Italian flavor. I don't taste the Italian in it, but it's good.
I got a lot of people I want to meet one day, and I am going to meet a lot of cooks, artists, athletes, different type of people. Want to see how they think, hang with them for a day or two, you know what I'm saying? Have some fun. And I'm going to it. Me and, which I call her Miss Peggy, Miss Howell, my grandma, what they want to call her. We're going to the NBA game one day in the future. I don't know when.
Oh, yeah. We'll go,
But showing up, we're going to be on YouTube with it. I might go live.
So how far into the season are they now? I have not.
5 games.
Oh, we might get a chance to go this season.
Don't start till May.
Oh, okay. Well, we might get a chance.
Don't start till May.
Yeah. And if it doesn't start till May, then it might be April, May, because the weather. You know, we have to go according to the weather, and of course, according to COVID. Let's see what the steak's doing in there. It's doing pretty good.
Right. We can go to Charlotte, which is right around the corner. Atlanta, which is up the hill. Those are the closest, and they pretty good teams.
Yeah. And Charlotte is our home team. You know, it's North Carolina, so that's our home team. Yeah, really, so I guess we need to go to that one.
I've been watching them this year, y'all, because they've actually been talking about something. I think they low-key been mentored by Michael Jordan. He low-key doing it because he can't losing.
We're going to do this to turn this over, because we want to save that dripping in that pan, because we got some veggies we want to put. And we don't want that oil to burn, so we're going to move it around so that it does not. We're going to lower the heat a little bit, not a lot, but a little bit, And we're going to put a little bit, hand me that, see that oil back there? We're going to save what else is in here. Just, we're going to pour it. That's just some olive oil. Just pour it back over on that end. There we go. All the way around, all the way around. Go all the way around. Now, that's good. That will keep it from burning. If you've got butter in there.
What type of oil is this?
Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Yep.
It's
olive oil.
God-given.
It is. It's natural.
Yep.
It's a natural oil. I love olive oil. It's supposed to be healthy. Okay. So, you remember what I told you last time we cooked that steak?
No, let it.
About the blood there. You see it's still sort of rare inside because you see that blood coming to the top.
Right.
When you stop seeing that blood coming to the top, it's pretty much cooked through. And he wants his a little bit pink. And we're going to keep flipping it and swirling it. So you need to flip it. Well, you can go ahead and swirl it first and then flip it. Then flip it. I said flip it. Okay. Okay. Now just gently flip it over right. And that'll keep it from burning. Woo! We don't want it to get too dark.
That thing cooks fast.
Yeah. Well, see, the thing, remember, this is my new cookware, and it holds heat, so you really don't have to have that heat up really high, because this cookware is Eurocast cookware, and it cooks really good. I love it. It really cooks good, so we don't have to have that heat. In fact, we got it on medium low right now, and it's still cooking fast enough for a steak, because you don't really cook steak slow. Let me see that. I'm concerned about these corners over here, because we don't want to have to do nothing. He's going to do him some stir-fried cabbage to go with his steak, and some corn. You know his favorite thing is some good old sweet buttered up corn. And we got to keep that. We got to keep this skillet so that we can put the steak in. The cabbage in that right in that same skillet. We ain't messing up a whole bunch of dishes around here.
I'm trying to tell you, we ain't clean up a whole bunch of dishes around here. It is.
Right.
So it ain't happening. This steak looks so beautiful.
But see, what we were saying the other day, you know, I'm trying to teach Kareem how to cook the things that he likes and enjoys, because he's moving on up, and he's talking about moving soon, whenever that happens. But still in all, even whether he moves or not, he still needs to know how to cook his own food.
I'm telling you, Grandma can't always cook for me.
Yeah. Monday is my no-cook day. I don't cook on Mondays pretty much. So this is just a little special edition of what's going on at the Howell house, because Kareem wanted a meal, and we didn't really have any leftovers. So we're on the stove. There's that cabbage. And get it going here shortly.
Oh, looking at something else.
Oh, okay.
Tripping. Yeah, this steak is cooking.
Yeah.
Nice.
So again, young folks, if you're watching, if you got somebody that can teach you how to cook, get in that kitchen and learn. I tell you, I've been cooking. Because I was always so curious. I was a curious child, and I've been cooking since I was 7 years old. I can remember my mom and grandma. I'm taking over. I'm just gonna flip it, because we got ready to take it out of here shortly.
Oh, that thing beautiful. And then we got some cabbage.
Yeah, we got cabbage. We're gonna drop in there. So yeah, like I'm saying, go in and get in that kitchen with your grandmother, your mother, and learn how to cook. Get you a glass plate from up there, because you can't use them one of them white plates to put your steak on. Yeah, it's cooking nicely. Okay, there's your. And we're going to use this plastic spoon to stir with. Sorry about that camera angle, y'all. He's getting the cabbage going. Okay. You think there's gonna be enough stir around there so you can see it. Go ahead and start putting your seasoning on there. Remember that stuff is real hot. Is it coming out?
Of course.
Oh, okay. That should
I'm
be a
pouring,
oh,
of course,
okay.
be coming out.
Okay, that's some complete seasoning. This is that was I don't know why they named this that, but he likes hot food, so it's called Slap Your Mama. It's supposed to be that hot, y'all. All right, we're gonna get us some garlic. Right in that cabinet there, a little onion powder. Sprinkle some of that on there.
No, I'm kidding.
Just sprinkle it.
Right.
Okay, is it on the sprinkle side?
Nope.
Yeah, it is. It's just a big sprinkle. Just sprinkle some of that. And we're gonna do about a half a teaspoon of that. Okay. Okay, that should be good. And then do the same thing with the garlic powder.
Alright. Yeah, definitely sprinkle side.
Okay.
Alright, we learning something now.
Now go ahead and give it a stir.
Always figure out new skills. To figure out new skills, to figure out a new piece of you, huh?
I just say, yep.
Yep. Skill, baby. Ooh, you know I like it.
Now, when I'm cooking, I always make sure that my food is properly seasoned. So whenever you feel like you want to, just get you a little bit of that cabbage out of there. Sure all the seasonings on, and make sure that it tastes like what you want it to taste like. Here.
Oh, I didn't know you were gonna taste it.
Yeah, it has enough seasoning.
A little too much, huh?
You know, me and hot stuff, I just don't do hot stuff.
But it's hot though?
Okay.
Okay.
For my mouth, now, you might want some more on your mouth.
Yeah.
And you can hit it with just a dash. This is Himalayan pink salt that we're hitting it
Put
with.
it on my camera. Oh, I got it. I
Oh,
got
I'm
you.
sorry.
No, you good. Got your back.
Okay.
Now this might sound weird. It may not. I don't care. You got some lemon I can squirt on it.
Yeah, look right over there. See where the mustard is? Yeah.
You see the lemon player?
Just a little bit, and then taste it, and then go back if you need more, because it'll come out big. Just, 'cause you don't want it to take over.
Strong.
Yeah, you don't want it to take over. Now stir it up real good, and taste it and see if that's enough. You may
No,
want
that's
more.
enough. I know it is.
Okay.
Yeah, that lemon, I'm feeling strong. One thing I already knew about lemon, this thing's strong.
Okay. While you doing that, I'm gonna grab your corn.
Chris Brown do exist, cause that moonwalk.
Oh yeah, that belongs to Michael Jackson.
Whew. Chris Jackson. No, I'm playing. But no, he really can't dance though.
Oh yeah. Okay, I think that's ready for your plate. Did you taste it to see if it tastes like what you want it to taste like?
I know it is. Grandma done coached me through.
There you go.
Feel it. I know what's going on. Appreciate that.
Move your fork off that plate right there so it won't be. Right, there you go.
Bam!
Okay, he's rounding up his meal. There's cabbage already. Corn's over there in the microwave. He said, I think we've done enough microwave corn. But that's what's on his menu for tonight. This is sweet corn, buttery corn, cabbage, and of course his nice medium well steak.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now what I'm gonna do, y'all?
I'm gonna leave that so you won't burn your hand on that.
I'm gonna take a picture of this with the corn, and the creativity piece is born.
And we're
So
gonna,
what? Oh yeah.
and just remember, even though you feeding yourself and you eating, you still want you always think about presentation.
Yeah.
Especially if you're gonna do it. Yeah, especially doing a thumbnail.
She like she creatively stealing my video.
No,
Hey.
it was killing me over here.
Ooh. Oh dang, yeah, the creativity. Ooh.
Yeah.
I'm about to choke and start eating.
Yeah, he ready to jump in there and start eating before we get the corn going on here. So we'll leave that little space right there for the corn. So I think he did pretty good. That steak looks real good. Real good.
Quite terrible.
Okay, so you know, presentation sake when you set a plate. There we are. That corn should be ready momentarily, and we'll be right back.
Guess what? This has been another episode of what am I soaking?
Grandma teaching Kareem how to cook so he can cook his own
heck
food.
no. Heck no. It was something alive coming inside. Anyways, y'all, God bless. And I'm out.
Thank y'all for tuning in for another episode. But truly, young men, young women, older people too, if you don't know how to cook, get in that kitchen and learn how to cook some food so you can fend for yourself. Remember how that saying goes, cook for a person they can eat that day, but if you show them how to cook that meal, they can eat it anytime they want to. So until we get back in here together again, toodles, y'all. Love you. Pray without ceasing now. Bye-bye.